Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here today to do an unboxing of a handbag. This is from the brand OLEADA, which I have shown on my channel many times now. Actually, they're sitting right here. So I have my OLEADA, I have the anchor, and I have the mini anchor right up there. So I have quite the collection and I can't wait to share another one in their fall lineup with you. If you're interested, keep watching. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. And a quick mention, this necklace I've been loving. It's from Fedoma. It has this really pretty mother of pearl and it's like a 2-4, so the other side has a gold surrounding, makes it very elegant. This is gold plated sterling silver. It does not cause any reactions on my sensitive skin. I do have a promo code for this one if you're interested, and I'll leave it in the description box below. So if you've been here before, you'll know that I have been in love with this guy right here. This is the anchor bag that I've been using all summer. It's in the canvas material with some leather, and it's just the perfect functional bag. I have selected another bag for OLEADA to send me to share with you here today. It is again another very similar style, and let's get into it so that you can see what I got. This just arrived today. It was shipped through DHL, so I was very surprised at the speed. Anyway, let's see this box. Ooh, okay. So OLEADA means ocean waves, a tribute to the multifaceted modern woman. Ocean waves is like gentle yet powerful, so that's kind of the meaning behind this brand, which I love. Let's take a look. And here is the bag. If you've been here before, you'll know that I've talked about this, but the OLEADA brand was founded by 2 women who worked in finance, and they do travel a lot with their work items. And so a lot of these bags are centered around work, which this one right here is a great work bag. It's my current work bag, but they also have a lot of great travel items. These 2 anchor bags that I have here are great for travel, which I love doing as well. So let me just share with you what is in here before I tell you more about the brand, but this is their dust bag. It is doubling up as a little tote bag as well, but you can definitely fold it over and then it'll be a dust bag. But I do like that because if I travel on the airplane or something, this is easy to carry around while protecting the bag inside. So I don't know if you have any guesses what this might be, but it probably wouldn't be a surprise to you that, ta-da, I selected another anchor bag. So let me remove all these stuffing and wrapping to share with you what it looks like. Okay, so now you can see her in her full glory. This is the truffle color. This style is very similar to one that I already have, which let me just bring down. It is right here. You can see this one is the full leather version, my first bag ever from OLEADA, and this is in the top grain leather. This one is a mix of materials. So we have this gray area, which is their rustic linen, and the black areas here are the Napa smooth leathers. So it is very unique and very different than this one. The vibe is totally different. This one I can see using all year round, but this one definitely feels a little bit more fall-like and definitely has that warmth to it. It also looks a little bit more sophisticated as well, and I just love the vibe it gives. What really prompted me to get this one was because last time I unboxed this one, which is the bigger version of this mini one, and this one has the canvas material. So it is not the same. I could feel the difference here. Definitely not the same. I could do a in-depth anchor bag video later, but I just wanted to kind of share with you that if you've gotten this one in the mini size, this one is definitely different. So there's definitely not doubling up here. I want to take this moment to actually tell you about if you have old OLEADA bags that you want to get rid of or trade in. They do have a recycling program that if you did recycle your old bags, you can get rewards and bonuses for, so I haven't done that yet. All of mine are growing really strong and I love them all, so I don't plan to recycle any of them, but I do think that that is a great option if you are thinking about doing so. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about this dimensions of this bag. Across the front here is about 9.1 inches or 23 centimeters. Here the depth is 2.7 inches or about 7 centimeters. And then the height here is about 5.9 inches or 15 centimeters. The top handle is very tiny. I'd say this is probably just like an inch tall. You can't really like put your arm through it, but in a pinch, you could slide it on your wrist. I mainly use it as a top handle. The bag itself is pretty simple on the front. As you can see, there's only a little logo right here that says OLEADA, and there is also a slip pocket in the back. Right now there is a little tag right here, but you can slip your phone in there, which I'll show you. I have the Pixel 8, so that one can slip right there. I don't think it will go side, can it? It can go sideways, but you kind of have to like rotate it a little bit, but it can if you want it to not stick up. So there are two little leather pulls here. It's in the same black color, and the leather pull is very smooth. And let me take out the stuffing. Crossbody straps here. All right, so the inside is lined with the same micro suede in this beige color as my other OLEADA bags. In the front of the bag, there are two slip pockets. This is exactly the same as my other mini anchor bag. And in the back here, you'll see that there is a zipper pocket with the logo of a little planet for OLEADA. And the zip pocket is very spacious, although I don't usually put much in there, maybe some feminine products, or when I traveled, I also did put my passport in that pocket because it makes it very safe. So that is the inside of this bag. Let me share with you what can fit really quickly. I will do an in-depth updated review of this bag, but just so you can see, I could fit an 8-ounce water bottle in there very nicely. You can see it doesn't create any bulk here. If I wanted to, I can also put a mini pochette from Louis Vuitton. Right now, this one's filled with a lotion, a lippy, and a hair clip right here. So, show you, that fits right in there very easily. I have a Chanel card holder that can fit right in front right there, and so you can see. And then if I had a sunglass case, I can also fit that right there. And this is like a bulky sunglass case. So here we go. My phone is still in the back there, and you can see it looks amazing. So this one can fit quite a bit of items. Let me just take out some of this, because a lot of you do ask me if I can fit an iPad mini. The answer is yes, I can. This is the iPad mini. You can see that it slots right in the back right there. And I also have a Kindle, which has a case on it, and that one can also go in here. So it has the iPad mini, the Kindle, the mini pochette, and a card holder up in the front. It is very heavy, I could feel it, but you can see that it does zip up fine. It is getting a little distorted, so if you didn't put in the pochette, it would be fine with just the card holder right there. And you can slide in like other lippy products and stuff in the front as well. So this is just a quick what fits into this bag. If you have questions on what could fit in here, do leave it in the comments below and I could cover that in the follow-up video. All right, so the last thing I really wanted to point out and let you know, which is a big feature of why I like this style of bag, is because it's very versatile. I keep coming back to this anchor style because I can wear it on the shoulder, crossbody, backpack, top handle, and I'm gonna show you right now. This bag comes with 2 leather straps, and let me just pop these out. So here are the 2 straps. It is a little different than the regular size anchor bag because it only has clasps on one end, and this other end is just this stud and hole feature which can adjust the length of this strap. So let me just show you really quickly. It's very simple to put on. I usually put the hook up on one of these guys. So right there and right here. I'm going to do the backpack style first, but you'll see really quickly it's very simple to do any of these. So I'm going to loop, there's a bottom loop right here. I'm going to put this through, and you can adjust it based on how long you want the backpack strap to go. So I'm going to make it short because I'm quite short. So I'm going to make it the shortest I can. So the first time you push in these little studs, it is more difficult just because the leather's new, so you do have to kind of like put in some force. Once you use it a little bit more and the leather is softened, you can, it'll be easier. All right, so we got one side. As you can see, I just pushed the studs through and it's there. Let me get the other side. Okay, so there is the other side. So now you can see that it is a backpack. Let me put it on to show you really quickly. So it's very low profile, which I love, and it is also very comfortable against your back. I think you could make this even shorter, but I have to play around with it. I think this is the shortest it'll go right now, and it does kind of hit me at the, like, you know, mid lower back. So I think that's a really good length. Another way to wear this instead of the backpack is to make it a crossbody strap. So what I'm gonna do is actually remove one of these guys because you don't need both. And then I'm going to take one of these straps from this side and I'm going to thread it through here. So this is the longer option right now. I made it kind of on the longer side. They have these like extra loops to keep the tab up from flying around, so that's nice. All right, so here you can kind of see that it hits me at a pretty good length. It's just below my hip, and it does, I could reach the bottom of the bag, which means I can open the bag up really easily to grab something from it. I can also wear this crossbody like so, and this actually hits me at a pretty good spot, like below my rib cage. And then the last way you can adjust this is to make it actually shorter. All right, so here I've made it on the shorter side. I don't think this is the shortest, but let's see how this looks first. So as you can see, it is much shorter now, and it can wear as like a more shoulder length because now it's hitting actually my hip. And so yeah, this is a really good length, I think, as well. If you are not liking any of these lengths, you can actually just remove this strap altogether and then put in your own guitar strap. You can put in your own, you know, chain strap. And I have done that with my other mini anchor bag. I have done it where it has like a chain, gold chain with like leather in it, and so it looks really pretty. I definitely think that you can play around with this because it is removable, and that makes it very multifunctional. So OLEADA is currently running their Fall with OLEADA campaign, which means a lot of their newer styles here are available for purchase on their website. If you would like to save 15% off this bag or any of the ones I mentioned or anything on their website, I will list a few of these below so that you can click on the link and get there. But if you are interested in saving some money, I do have a promo code for you. Angeleyn will get you 15% off your entire purchase. So that means this one would be under $500, which is amazing because I've used their bags for over a year now and they've been pristine, they've been so good, and I've been using it for many occasions. This one, as you can see, is a little bit more warm and dressy, and I do think that you can easily wear it to run errands. Did not have any straps. You can use it as a clutch, and you can definitely go to like a work dinner or you know, if it's a travel event, you can easily just bring one bag and cover all of your bases with a crossbody, shoulder, clutch. Because it is such low profile, it can definitely fit all of those functions that you would like. And then the colors, it's just so easy to go with any outfit. So anyway, as you can see, I'm already very excited to bring this on my next travel plans. If you are interested, I would love to hear your thoughts below. I think this is a great bang for your buck, especially if you can use the 15% off code angeleyn to save additional money. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I will list everything I've mentioned here below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.